What can you say about the spaghetti?
Yummy.
Yummy? Oh, yummy.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Where is Bea? Bea is still eating. So many chocolates are here, guys. Save up to 65% on pick and mix. It's $11.99. It's nice. Pink, yellow, blue, green. Which one? 20% off now. 88. Save dito. $8, guys. Oh, I love this. So nice. 40%. What's this? London bar, $8. Oh, this one is. I love this. Blend. Koala. Koala, guys. 50% off. Oh. What else?
Yeah.
I love this. $36. This one is 50% off. Every occasion. $80. This one is $80. Is it big? Ah, big, yeah. Oh, it's big. Gift ideas for everyone. This is $60. This one is $60, guys. 50% off. Drink your coffee. $25% off. Special offer. Assorted bags, 100 grams, guys. Yeah. So, no? Listen, guys. This is for $10. The colors pink, blue, purple. Yeah.